Let's fry sticky honey chili garlic chicken wings in water. I have 2.5 pounds of the wings. I have the vinguette and I have the drumette. We have the drumstick, drumette, and we have the wing. It's a whole wing but with just a drumstick and a flat. Here we have pan in a pot combo. It's at least 3-inch deep. Chicken stock, that's the first thing we will take. Whole 1 cup of chicken stock. Whole 1 cup of regular water. We'll bring this to boil for the sticky honey chili garlic flavor, which is we are building in water. We will need, of course, honey, sesame seed, chili powder, chili flakes, salt, some mustard, Worcester, or you can use soy sauce. Fresh garlic will go in here. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chicken stock has been started to boil. 2 pounds of the chicken wing. Let's grab the drumette and the vinguette. I mean the drum and the flat. Both goes in here. This is how we fry chicken wings in water. At the same time, you will take 10 to 15 cloves of fresh garlic. It has the chili garlic flavor, right? So use fresh garlic for it. That's the whole trick. And you will just dice it roughly. Goes in here. You can take chili powder or use paprika. I will suggest use paprika. It's much better. We'll take 1 whole tablespoon of it. Goes in here. Half tablespoon of the salt. The tangy flavor, add half cup of white distilled vinegar in here. So this is the initial step of frying chicken wings in water, and for initial 15 minutes it's on the high flame at 400 degrees. This is 15 minutes later. Since we started frying our chicken wings in water, we added paprika, we added vinegar, we added salt, we added chicken broth, and we added water. Here it is. This is what you will see. It's getting fried in water. Look at this texture so far. We are halfway there. Now let's season this. Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce, whatever you prefer, half baking cup. Add this in here. Let's take hot sauce. Any hot sauce you like, we will do 2 tablespoons of it. Take yellow mustard, regular, we'll do 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Let's give this a stir. So from now, the sauce is getting thicker, and with the mustard flavor, oh my god, it's aromatic now. Let's cook it again for 15 minutes. And just like that. It's been 30 minutes since we started water frying our wings. We added a lot of good ingredients in here to call it honey chili garlic chicken wings. So look at this. They are frying. A lot of the water, the stock, the sauces, they are already in our wings. So we'll do 4 tablespoons of the honey. Now it's forming a thick paste. Let's add a tablespoon of sesame seeds, half tablespoon of the chili flakes. Here you go. After adding the honey, the sesame seed and the chili flakes, we will put our stove on to simmer and just wait 10 more minutes. Everything settle down, and these are the delicious water fried honey chili garlic chicken wings. "40 minutes later, we have perfectly fried delicious chicken wings with honey chili garlic flavor in water. Here you go, some parsley or cilantro, whatever you prefer. If you want more sesame, just sprinkle more just for the final touch. And here you go. Delicious, simple, easy, homemade, fantastic Sticky honey, chili garlic, chicken wings, water fried, they are ready.
Born in the belly, the beast where the flame gets hot. Stirring the pot for a profit, I'm claiming the spot. A pinch of the struggle, a dash of the pain for the flavor. I'm cutting the checks like a butcher, no room for a favor. The recipe's ancient, the hunger is modern and gold. Calculated the risk when the skillet was heavy and cold. Calculated the risk when the skillet was heavy and cold. Now the kitchen is full in the air. Stick with the spice. Rolling the dice on the plate. I ain't checking the price. Rolling the dice on the plate. I ain't checking the price. I'm born hungry, feed the ambition, the vision is clear. Cooking up the legacy, banish the doubt and the fear. The plate is set, the table to the pavement. I never back down. Yeah, it's that born hungry flow. Let the whole city know. Watch the fire ignite and the recipe start to glow.
Let's do a taste test. I made mayo and ketchup sauce with that.
Cooking with nothing but pride.
This guy,
The heat on the burner is high.
and look at from all the sides. It's looking good, awesome, fantastic. So just chef test, all the way cooked to the bone. That's perfect in 40 minutes. Water fried. Wow. Sticky honey, chili garlic, chicken wings. And here you go, the first
Born
bite.
hungry, feed the ambition, the vision is clear. Cooking up the legacy, banish the doubt and the
it's
fear.
actually
The
good.
plate is set, the table to the pavement. I never back down.
Wow, you just push it and it's gonna separate itself apart. Bones will come out.
The ingredients are simple,
good.
the intent is always pure. Enduring all the hunger till the refuse always
Here
pure.
you go,
Just the heat to
boneless,
keep the demons
sticky
in the
honey,
shadows all
chili
at bay.
garlic,
Can
chicken
you
wings.
smell the success? It's the fruit of
Sharing
the
it
toil. Born
with you.
hungry, rising up from the water to the oil.
Water fry your chicken wings. Don't subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.